Welcome back, hustlers, to another episode of Health Hustle. Today, I'm dropping knowledge on 3 powerful natural home remedies that are still flying under the radar. These aren't just your grandma's go-tos. They're modern, effective, and super easy to incorporate into your life. Get ready to hustle healthier. Let's get to it. First up, we have a super skin saver and inflammation fighter, Manuka honey and turmeric paste. This dynamic duo is amazing for acne, scars, and soothing irritated skin. Manuka honey, originating from New Zealand, has unique antibacterial and wound healing properties. It's a powerhouse of antioxidants and enzymes that can seriously level up your skincare game. Then we have turmeric, the golden child of anti-inflammatory agents. This spice contains curcumin, a compound that's been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body. To make the paste, mix a tablespoon of Manuka honey with a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Apply this paste to your face like a mask. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse it off with warm water. Your skin will be glowing. You can also apply it as a spot treatment on blemishes or scars. The anti-inflammatory properties of both ingredients work wonders to reduce redness, swelling, and promote healing. Bonus tip: you can even take turmeric and Manuka honey internally. Add a teaspoon of each to a warm cup of milk or tea for a soothing and anti-inflammatory drink. It's perfect for those days when you're feeling under the weather or just need a little immune system boost. Remember, consistency is key with any natural remedy. Use this Manuka honey and turmeric paste regularly to see the best results. Let's move on to a hair remedy that'll have your scalp thanking you. Garlic and coconut oil. Garlic is packed with sulfur, which boosts collagen production, essential for strong, healthy hair. Coconut oil is super nourishing for the scalp, rich in fatty acids and antioxidants that penetrate the hair shaft, moisturizing it from the inside out. Together, they're a power couple for promoting healthy hair growth. And no, your hair won't smell like garlic. The coconut oil helps to neutralize the strong garlic scent. To use this magical concoction, warm up half a cup of coconut oil on low heat and add a few cloves of crushed garlic. Let it simmer for a few minutes to allow the garlic's goodness to infuse into the oil. Once the oil has cooled down a bit, strain out the garlic cloves and massage the infused oil into your scalp. Really work it in there to stimulate blood flow, which also encourages hair growth. Leave the oil on for at least 30 minutes, or even better, overnight for a deep conditioning treatment. Then just wash your hair as usual with a gentle shampoo. You'll be amazed at how soft, shiny, and healthy your hair looks and feels after just a few uses. This garlic and coconut oil treatment is a game changer for anyone looking to boost hair growth and improve their scalp health. Try it out, hustlers, and let me know what you think. Did you know that the part of the pineapple you usually throw away, the core, actually holds incredible digestive power? The core contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion, reduces bloating, and even helps with muscle recovery. Bromelain is a proteolytic enzyme, which means it helps your body break down protein. This is especially helpful if you experience digestive discomfort after eating protein-rich meals. You don't have to eat it raw. You can blend it into smoothies. Just toss a few chunks of pineapple core into your next smoothie for a digestive boost. You won't even taste it. Bromelain is also a powerful anti-inflammatory, helping reduce inflammation throughout your body. This can be helpful for everything from joint pain to muscle soreness. Some studies suggest that bromelain can help reduce nasal congestion and sinus inflammation. For athletes, bromelain can help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery after intense workouts. Next time you chop up a pineapple, don't toss that core in the trash. Save it, blend it, and reap the amazing digestive and anti-inflammatory benefits of bromelain. It's a simple, natural way to support your overall health and well-being. That's it, hustlers. 3 natural remedies that you can easily whip up at home. No fancy products needed. Be sure to try them out and let us know in the comments how they worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on your next health boost. Stay healthy, stay hustling, and I'll see you in the next video.